Now, this is the Hairvivi Reform. Hey loves, and welcome back. I'm pretty excited for this video because in this video, like you guys had seen in the intro part, we are working with Hairvivi, and I'm so excited for this hair color, this hair texture, and this hair design. Now, if you know Hairvivi, you know that they always come through with quality. The star of the show. We're gonna get into this. We have a card, pretty much like a guide. I love how aesthetic Hairvivi brand is. Here you have like a hair care instruction. They both go into this beautiful sleeve right here, and lastly we have this drawstring hair bag. So this is the wig that we are going to be unboxing and installing, and once I saw this wig, guys, I was speechless because this is a different level of customization and highlighting. I'm gonna open this up for you so that you can see what you get. This is the wig that they sent, and it's in the style Crystiana. Everything about it is just so beautiful. The highlight, the length, the layers, how plucked the hairline is. This is what the construction of the wig looks like.
This wig comes with an invisible HD Swiss lace. That way it's gonna blend beautifully well into your skin. It also comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-styled as well with this invisible scalp. That way you don't need to worry about doing the bold cut method. This is gonna give you that realistic scalp look. Hairvivi is your personal stylist, unblemished right away.
You have your elastic band as well, combs at the back as well for extra security. So I want to see what this wig looks like for the first time, and I'm gonna quickly put this on. Take it all back. Oh wow, this fits so well. This is what it looks like straight right out of the box. The wig already comes customized. It comes highlighted, it comes colored, it comes pre-plucked, as in all you have to do literally is to cut off the lace and maybe style it a little bit. However, this wig was actually pre-styled, but because of shipping, I noticed that the curls have kind of like become really subtle. So I'm going to be reviving it in this video, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the box, and we're going to do like very minimal styling. I'm looking at the wig and I can instantly see that there are a bit of layering. There's a bit of layering in this wig, and I feel like that would be so gorgeous once I curl this and revive the curls. But first things first, I want to quickly just cut off the excess lace. I'm not even sure if I want to melt down this lace. I think I like how it's looking. So I'm gonna grab my scissors right here and start cutting it. And you can see that it is glueless. I don't even have to like glue it down, especially if I'm styling it in like a center part or like a side part. The lace is so thin you can barely even see it. However, you will get this lift on around the ear tab, which is fine because if you're doing like a center part or a side part, the hair will cover it up. You can style this perfectly. You can hardly even see. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. The knots have been bleached, the lace is melting into my skin. You don't need to do a lot of work with this unit, but I'm gonna kind of melt this down. I'm just going to be melting the sides. Use a little bit of wax stick just to kind of tame the flyaway hairs right here. Now what I'm gonna do next is to start styling this hair. Remember guys, this I did a glueless kind of method. I don't know if you guys remember, like I didn't put glue over here. I only glued down the kind of air tabs. So yeah, I think I want to melt the lace now even further so that way it looks really good. This is what the hair is looking like right now. I'm gonna take this hair band off and see. Wow, can you see that melt? So this is what the hair looks like, and also what the melt of the hair looks like. We can kind of see it as well. Like, what lace? What lace? I'm going to quickly loosen up the curls. I'm going to use a little bit of oil to do that. Run my hands through my hair just to kind of loosen up the curls. So this right here is the finished look, and you can see how gorgeous this unit is. What lace? I did not melt this down, I did not glue this down, as you guys can see, and it has literally blended into my skin. I'm trying not to ruin the lace, but this is the Crystiana wig, guys. I love the highlights, I love the lowlights, and I love the blend and the mix of tones as well. One thing you can trust Hairvivi when it comes to their hair is their unique and exclusive hair color as well as design. But this is so beautiful. With this, we have some layers in front, so you can decide to layer this up. You can get like really tight curls, and this will look so gorgeous however you want to style it, whether it's straight, curly. This is a frontal wig, and look at this lace, guys. The lace is barely there. She reminds me of Ciara. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm saying, but this is giving me Ciara vibes. Everything about this wig construction was perfect to my head and to fit as well. The way they style their hair, because their hair pretty much comes ready to go and pre-styled. They're like my own personal stylist when it comes to styling the hair, because they give you unmatched master level styling, especially when it comes to like coloring your hair, dyeing your hair, toning your hair, like plucking your hair, customizing your hair in general. They always do it the best. Hairvivi, your personal stylist, unblemished right away. I will leave all the links down in the description box, so be sure to check it out if you are interested. Thank you, Hairvivi, for sending this gorgeous unit to me yet again. I love working with you. Your hair is absolutely gorgeous. You know it, I know it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, let me feel myself a little bit, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.